this is Bethany from Sweet 60, but today I'm reviewing this adjustable snoring strap, chin strap. This is from Easy Sleep, but all you do is put this around your chin, kind of fits down here in the bottom, but it's Velcro and completely adjustable. This is soft and stretchy, so it's not going to bother you at all. It fits pretty snugly and easily. It's a great little chin strap that really is supposed to help reduce your snoring. So it's a great little product. It's really durable and well made, so you don't have to worry about that. And I really enjoyed it. I don't mind sleeping with it. It doesn't really bother me at all. And it seems to help. So you can check out my full review and more information in the comments this week.